This is the Takeya 1 quart cold brew maker pitcher, and this is a really nice set if you want to make your own delicious cold brew coffee at home. This has everything you need. This is made of entirely BPA-free dishwasher-safe plastic, so you can wash any part of this. And you also get this really nice reusable fine mesh filter center piece. The setup is really easy to use. Just take the main pitcher and screw on the handle piece. And then you'll want to fill this up with about a cup of your favorite coarsely ground coffee. You can also just kind of pay attention, make sure you're getting it close to the top. And then whenever you're done with that, take this screw-on lid, and this will actually slot into place. You can tell when it's on good, when it's not going to shake off or fall off. So then you want to fill this up with water. I like to fill the water to about right there, so just where there's a little bit of free space on it. And then you can submerge the coffee grounds in slowly. If the water is rising too much, you might need to dump a little bit of water out of this. So submerge the coffee, and then you just screw this top lid in. And then once the lid is screwed on, you'll just want to shake it up real good. That'll make the water go into all the coffee grounds. And then you want to put this in a fridge for about 16 to 24 hours. I really like to let this brew for about 24 hours. And then whenever you go to your fridge to get a snack or to make a meal, just take this, shake it up a little bit more, make sure that your coffee grounds stay moist. Then after the 24 hours is up, you can just take the top lid off, and then you can remove your coffee grounds, take this bottom piece off, wash this out, dump this out, and then you just put this back into the top. And then this is going to be able to be your pitcher of cold brew coffee. So I recommend diluting this to about a 1-to-1 ratio of coffee concentrate to water or ice, or even using some milk or cream as well. This tastes really good.